Airlines would be to it, but the people that I saw coming towards me after the explosions looked as...
Returning now to the breaking news from Belgium, there have been 2 large explosions at Brussels airport at the departure hall, with many people injured and unconfirmed reports that people have been killed. We're seeing disturbing pictures of injured people as well as debris scattered throughout the terminal. The blast went off at around 8 o'clock a.m. local time. It's understood it happened at the American Airlines desk, but what's unclear at this stage is what caused the explosions. But there are fears that this was a terror attack. All flights are being diverted away from the airport, while trains going into the terminal have now been suspended. We'll keep you up to date on this breaking story throughout the evening.